I know, I know. Everybody loves the Jordans. They're Yeezys. They're Balegas, or whatever is new. But not me. And before you attack me, and before you send me the prints, just let me explain. So this video is not to attack those who like Jordans. If you like Jordans, you like the Jordan 1s and the Jordan 10s and the 14s and the 35s and whatever the hell they're at now, that's fine. People ask me, why don't I wear Jordans? I'm like, I just don't like them. A lot of people grew up watching Michael Jordan. And so they're like, you know what, he's my favorite player. I really liked him. He's my inspiration. He's my role model. I want to support him. I want to be like Mike. That's cool. And that makes sense to me. But I think we're at a point in 2018 where a lot of people that are buying Jordans and wearing Jordans aren't really wearing it because of that. They're wearing it because it's cool to wear. I mean, there's people out there that wear it because the guy beside him is wearing them, not because he actually likes the shoe. It's more like it's cool to wear it because they're wearing it. It's part of the hypebeast train, so to speak. And I already know half the people here are probably like, that's not me. I wear it because I like to wear it because I'm like, sure, that's cool. That's not you then, not you. But for everyone else, I'm like, are you really wearing Jordans because you like the way they look? And so this is what I say. Is it the shoe that you like the way the shoe looks? Is it the way it feels? Is it the comfort? What is it? Because I'm under the impression that some of these shoes that people get all hyped up for, if it didn't have that Jumpman logo on it, would we still think it's a cool design? Or is it cool because it's Jordan? Or because it's Nike, or because it's Adidas, or because of whatever brand? I'm under the impression that a lot of people just like things because it's the brand, not the shoe itself, not the style. Because I see some very, very, in my opinion, ugly Jordans. And people are going hyped up for them. Like breaking the bank and paying resale on StockX and Goat app and doing all this crazy stuff. And I'm looking at it like, is this what we're fighting for? Like back in the day, people would be in line buying tickets to get in line for Jordans that came out. And I remember being at a mall and not knowing what was going on. I think it was that Finish Line or Champs, and it was just this long line. And I was thinking, is everyone in line to get the exact same thing? And to me, I feel like most people buy shoes, Jordans, for lifestyle use. And if you actually play basketball in them, that's fine. That's your own thing. But I feel like a lot of people use it for lifestyle use. And to me, like, wearing things for lifestyle and casual is to look cool, look unique, look different. And in my mind, I can't grasp the idea of being in line to get the exact same shoe that everyone else has or wants. It makes no sense to me. Like, why would I fight to look like you or the guy beside me wearing the exact same shoe? Like, I want to be different. I want to stand out. I want to have my own unique style. I want people to see my shoes or my style and go, wow, where'd you get those from? Not, oh, you got those too? Yeah, I got 4 pair too. My cousin got that same pair. My daddy got that. No. I don't want to look like the guy beside me. I want to look like me. I want to look different, unique. I want to stand out. But if people want to, just fit the same look and the same shoe and the same color, that's up to them. Like I said, this is just my opinion. Don't send me the prints. The next thing is, Jordans to me are repetitive. And I guess that's part of the gimmick of being a retro. But how many times are we gonna buy the exact same shoe over and over and over again? Like, the same thing. Jordan 1, Jordan 1, Jordan 1. And they change one thing about the shoe. Like 1 year it's a Nike logo, 1 year it's a Jordan logo, 1 year it's red here, 1 year it's black there, 1 year it's black and red. And we're paying $160, $190 every time. I know people that have 15 Jordan 1s. And the funniest part is that they don't even wear the shoe. It's like a trophy. They buy the shoe, they'll take a picture of it, put it on Instagram, put it in their closet, and never wear it again. I want to wear my shoes. Shoes are very expensive. Whether the shoe costs $100, whether they cost $250, I want to wear the shoe. I bought it to wear the shoe. I didn't buy it to just look at it. And I feel like a lot of people do that. They have this big, large collection of shoes that they never actually wear. And given, I'm a runner, so I run in my shoes. But even then, I don't need 14 pairs of the same Pegasus 34. And the reason why I like buying running shoes is because every year they add something to the shoe. Whether it's a different look to it, different setup, different cushionings, they add to it, they take away, they change it up. Jordan 1 has been the same Jordan for the last, I don't know, 10, 15 years. I mean, I know they changed materials a little bit from the originals, but besides that, it's the same thing. Your cement floors, your all that. And then, I don't know. It's like, I just don't understand the concept. And the same thing with the Yeezys. And when I first saw the Yeezys, I was like, these things are ugly. Like, who's gonna buy these? But I guess these became like exclusive and became limited. And when things are limited, all of a sudden it's cool. And when it's cool, it looks better. And when it looks better, everybody wants it. But in my mind, I'm like, it doesn't look good. I don't know if people like the whole slipper with a big red stripe and some random letters on the side of it, that's cool. That's cool. If you want to buy the shoe for resale for, at one point, $1,000 with zebra print, that's up to you. I don't think that looks that good, or at least not $500 to $1,000 worth the good, you know? And I just go back to thinking, like, if that same design had let's say a Skechers logo on it, would people still say it looks good? Because if it's the exact same design, it just says Skechers, or if it says Fila, or anybody else besides a Yeezy or Adidas, would you still think it looks good? And I'm under the impression that I feel like most people wouldn't want to wear it anymore. It's more of a brand thing. And here's the thing, in the reality of the world, we're all brand slaves. We are. There's a reason why we wear Nike, Adidas, Jordan, or whatever brand. But I need innovation. I need progression. I need something different. I don't want to fight for the exact same thing. Like, if I really want the new Nike, I want it in a different colorway. I might get next year's version, which is different from this year's version. I don't want the exact same thing. Like, I understand that people like Apple products, people like Samsung products, people like, Sony TVs and PlayStations. So in the end of the day, we're gonna buy things that are similar because we like them. But when it comes to shoes, and it comes to the lifestyle of being like cool and comfortable, I think we're at a point where we're just copying each other. I don't think we're being unique at all. And I watch all the channels, all the sneaker channels. I like sneakers. And there's some times where I'm like, are we just reviewing the same shoe in different colorways over and over again? And people are like, just really into it. And that's no diss to like the reviewers, but it's just a concept that they make content for the demand. And the demand is constantly the same exact thing over and over again. It's just like I said, the concept just baffles me sometimes. But, to each their own. I'm going to do what I do. I don't wear Jordans. I don't plan on wearing Jordans or buying Jordans. If I do, it may be for, fun, just to say that I finally got one and this is what I think of it. But, yeah, I grew up watching Michael Jordan play. The funny thing is that I know kids that know the Jordan shoes but don't know Michael Jordan. They never watched him play, never actually, witnessed a game of him actually playing live, during an actual season. They just, either don't know him or they know of him. So I'm not convinced that they wear the shoe because they're fans of Michael Jordan. They're just fans of the shoe because their friends are fans of the shoe and their fans, It goes on. But yeah, that's my thoughts, my rant, I would say. I know everyone's going to say they wear the shoe because they like the shoe, because it has a style. They'll say, Jamie, you wear things because it's cool. I get it. I'm just saying, the thoughts of a Jordan. Not really into it. That's my opinion. Obviously, I'm in the very, very minority as far as Jordan appreciation. I don't really care for him as much. So at that point, I would say you're probably right. I'm probably wrong. I'm likely wrong. But that's okay, because I can live with that. I'll just wear my other shoes. I'll wear my New Balance 24/7s. I'll wear my Vans Ultra Range. To me, those shoes are fire. Much better than Jordans. But, maybe one day I'll see the light. Maybe someone in the comment section can convince me that, Jordans are fire, and I might see a pair that I actually like and get a pair. I'm always open for change. So, I'm not sitting here saying I'm anti-Jordan, but, maybe one day something will come out and I'll be all up for it. With that said, let me know if you wear Jordans. How many Jordans do you have? Do you like Jordans? Do you hate them? How do you feel about the trends and the hype beasts? Just let me know how you feel. With that said, subscribe, like, dislike. I don't care what you do, just do it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.